So let's take a look at how you can run GDscript in Godot engine. So make sure that you have downloaded Godot engine, and let's create one sample project. Okay, as you can see, I already created one, and here I'm going to edit it. There is nothing in the project right now, and currently, as you can see, it will create one default script, okay, which you can get rid of by deleting. Okay, so first thing within your project, as you can have this 2D node or 3D depending on how you created sample project. What we're going to do is we are going to move to file system sidebar option here within tab, and right click there and create new script. Okay, now here you can see you have a path for that script. Okay, simply click on create, right, save this. Now what we're going to do is double click on that script. Here you can see your script shows extends node and there is function underscore ready. Okay, so what we'll do is we will create one variable with keyword var, then let's say a equals to my channel name. Okay, now next thing within function ready, we will call print, pass our variable. Okay, that's all. And after that, what we need to do is we have to go to our scene, then check on node and right click on that node to add script. So attach script and then give it the path to your current script. Click on open. Now load this. Now this will be attached to your node and you can find that here. Now if I run this project, it should show me this window, and in output I can see the variable output as well. Okay, now to stop the script from running, what you can do is detach the script, save this. Now if you run this, then you can find your project running just fine, but that variable output would be missing in output tab. You can close this window, right? And next thing you can do is you can choose to add the code that you want. Okay, and then make sure to attach the script. Okay, once attached, you can have your that code's output. Okay, considering currently we added one more node, it will be visible here as well. So let's add this script for detach. Now let's go for new script and make sure to attach this script. Okay, right, now if I run this again, it will have the output. Okay, so what we have seen so far is how to create a new script, how to attach that to your node, how to detach it, and then go back, add few more scripts, and then come back and attach the respective script that you want, and then execute again to test whether attaching work or not. Okay, so you get the idea how to create the script, how to attach script and detach script in Godot engine.